With the fixed angle rotors, it is good for pelleting applications because of the fixed angle.
Yes.
And for swing bucket, it is good for density gradient and also the phase separation.
When choosing the adapter, make sure that you are choosing the adapter that really fits and supports your vessel.
I strongly recommend to clean and dry the chamber after each run. On the photo on the left-hand side, you can see a corroded chamber, and this can take place if you don't take care of your condensation